Hello tout le monde. Bienvenue ou re-bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Nouveau style pour une nouvelle vie. Bref, on va regarder l'été où je suis devenue jolie. Je me suis fait avoir par les edits. C'est vraiment genre hétéroland cette série, mais on va regarder quand même, on va se faire son propre avis parce que j'ai comme l'impression que toutes les histoires qu'on me raconte via les edits sont pas forcément très objectives. La saison 3 est sortie, pas entièrement, donc j'espère rattraper et tout regarder. De ce que j'ai compris, tout le monde était Team Jeremiah jusqu'à cette saison 3 parce que c'était genre le Golden Retriever. Tout le monde est anti-Belly, alors que vraiment, de ce que j'ai compris, vous êtes trop méchant avec elle. Vous êtes trop méchant avec elle. C'est une ado, laissez-la tranquille. Genre vraiment, c'est une meuf amoureuse. Genre vraiment, on va voir, peut-être que je me trompe, mais on verra. Et tout le monde déteste Conrad jusqu'à cette saison 3 où j'avoue que je me fais avoir. Je vais pas spoiler, mais on va voir ce que ça donne. Les gars, je vous jure, si vous êtes des menteurs, c'est vraiment hétéroland pour moi. Genre vraiment. Let's go. Là, c'est la bonne.
Emily's been going to Susanna's beach house and cousins every summer since I was a baby.
Un peu flemme du concept.
Since before I was even born.
Ça, c'est ce que je veux dans la vie. Avoir les maisons de vacances avec mes BFF. Génial, ma vie. Ma vie. La mère de la romance actuelle. Moi, je peux pas. Je peux chialer. Les dynamiques frères et sœurs.
For
Chill.
me, everything good.
Quand c'est bien fait là.
Magical happens between the months of June and August.
C'est mimi.
Drew's bummed you're missing. Okay, so buy one that doesn't look like you're trying out for the spring team. Are you serious?
Ellie, we're leaving in the next.
Peut-être qu'elles devraient sortir ensemble, hein. Ça réglerait l'histoire.
Okay, before I let you go, you have to tell me your summer wish. Like the one, whether he wants to or not. You look a lot different than last summer, Belly. I love this
T'as
drive.
enlevé tes
this
lunettes
moment.
et t'as plus ton
It's like
appareil
coming home
dentaire.
after you've been- No, I can't let you leave, so I kill my
Je peux pleurer.
insecurity. You can't do better. You can't do better.
Elle est trop
Turn
mignonne.
us out a little, please.
Please.
Le fait qu'ils soient tous les deux devant et que la mère soit derrière, ça montre que c'est vraiment une daronne. Ew!
Boys at school never.
Thought I knew every pretty girl with cousins. Coming to the bonfire tonight. First of the season.
Je vais vous couper tous les bruits de nourriture. En vrai, c'est peut-être pas un bon concept. Hein. Moi, c'est vraiment generate a movie. Je suis en iPad Kid. Je peux pas manger sans regarder un truc.
Look who came back all grown up. Jared, come over here.
And there's a dazzling heat, a mysterious way about you, dear. Have I known you 20 seconds, or 20 years?
On a une introduction comme ça.
I liked you better with glasses.
Too bad. I like me better without them.
Oui, c'est ça que j'ai vu. Il me casse la tête déjà.
Hey, guys.
Fais un vrai compliment, je comprends ce que tu veux dire.
about you, but
J'aurais pourrais faire un compliment, dire ah t'étais jolie autant avec et sans tes lunettes. Et lui non. Et...
Let go.
Profite non?
Oh my god. No, when your mom and I first
first met, she looked just like you. Except I have no boobs at all. Gross, Mom.
Je les aime trop. Je les aime trop.
Legs are too long now. I can't do that. Cleveland Castillo is such a phony name. It's like, hi, I'm masculine, but I'm an intellectual. I bet Hemingway is his hero. I bet he wears horn-rimmed glasses. Yeah, see?
Yeah, contacts irritate my eyes.
Enemies to lovers?
It's just not Billy's kind of thing. She's our feral little allergy. I'll think about it. You said marijuana messes with white matter.
Do you even know what white matter is?
You said our brains are still developing and that...
God, do you memorize every single thing that I've ever said?
Get over yourself.
That wasn't even flirty.
Well, I still think you should quit.
What do you give me if I do? See ya. Let's go, slowpoke.
Voilà, c'est ça là. Genre, les garçons quand ils grandissent, ils arrêtent de se comporter avec vous comme si vous étiez genre des humains et ils se comportent avec vous comme si vous étiez des meufs. Vous voyez ce que je veux dire ou pas? Oh, elle apparaît toute jeune. Elle a quoi? Elle a 15 ans? Ça aussi c'est gay. Hein.
So, get a boyfriend back home?
I thought you said that Deb balls are bullshit and all Debs are sheep.
I didn't. You're such a brat.
Well, you're an asshole.
Belly! You came!
Jeremiah.
Okay, I will be right back.
Oh my god. Choupette. Elle arrive, elle fait des histoires autour d'elle et tout, elle a rien demandé.
Get on Tinder while you're at it.
Oh my god, please stop.
Okay, not Tinder. What's the app for the 40 and up crowd?
Ah, I'm texting you. It's our time.
You know it's not.
Des lesbiennes. Non, pas du tout. Elles sont enfermées par l'hétérosexualité, c'est pour ça qu'elles ont eu des enfants avec des mecs. Mais elles deux ensemble là, mouah. Mouah.
Don't get mad at me. You and I are immovable objects.
Are you cold?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
No, no, it's, I don't even like this idiots. That's gross.
Great, I'll take it up your hand.
Thanks.
Hey, did everybody see me fall before?
Ça apprendra.
Sort of. Yeah.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. Don't go anywhere.
No, yeah. You're not taking my fucking beer, dude. Relax. This is one
Whoa!
beer. It's my fucking beer. Guys, what's fucking wrong with you? Are you okay?
I mean, how else will you get your hoodie back, right?
I like
This
this.
could be my summer wish.
Huh. Vous venez juste de vous rencontrer, what the fuck? Il est où Steven?
Fuck, Steven.
Ah!
I'll be right back. There's like a little kid's the way it's always so messy.
C'est ça votre mec là?
Kid, if you want to be treated like an adult, you need to act like one.
She's right.
You guys should too.
What does that mean?
You know you're gonna have a black eye tomorrow, right?
It's already tomorrow.
Je l'aime trop. I'm hooked. Ils m'ont eu les gars. Ils m'ont eu. Aïe aïe aïe. Et ben let's go hein.
Do we really have to physically sit for our portraits? Can't she just like look at a picture in her phone or something? Okay, get out. What? Why?
Pour un show
Well,
aussi
Conrad does
hétéro,
not have hope, actually. He's hopeless.
il y a beaucoup de moments un
But
peu...
my hangover smoothie, Seriously, Stephen? Oh, get out. This is a delicate science, and your heavy breathing is gonna break the yoke. Okay. We won't. We're good. Oh, man. Oh, those old country club boomers are gonna tip me so hard, man. They won't know what to hit 'em. Oh.
Stephen,
Ew.
I swear. Billy, are you sure you want to do this? Doesn't seem very you.
It's not.
Conrad, could you please be a little more supportive to the
Il est trop chiant.
Not me.
What have I done?
Are you okay, babe? I love you so much, but you're ridiculous.
I love you so much, and I know I'm ridiculous. No, that one's much too simple.
But it does seem more like Belly.
Laura, trust me, these girls go all out.
Non, Belly, choisis ma belle.
Much enjoy
Il y a
that.
une charlotte sur la tête là.
Stipulations. Hey, you know, break it. I would love to take you surfing sometime.
Sur l'océan, je me sens enfin libre d'être qui j'ai envie d'être. Personne pour me dire ce que je dois faire. Juste moi, les vagues et ma planche de surf.
Tell me the truth. Do I look like a fool?
No, you look good, but you look good. Look over.
Les hommes, tous les mêmes, des menteurs.
What?
Apples?
Yeah.
Oh, have you seen flowers before?
I have, but that is...
C'est des BFF, hein. La romance, je sais pas d'où elle sort, mais... Ah bah si. Elle veut quoi, elle? Comment elle regarde trop mal, je vais péter un câble. Elle regarde trop mal, je vais péter un câble. Elle est trop belle.
To spend your summer moping around, I can't stop you, but no more sleeping till 2, no more day drinking. I want you doing something productive.
Mais ils ont quel âge pour boire là, comme ça là?
You're getting a job.
Dis bien ma belle.
Belly's only a sophomore, right? I think that's what Conrad told me. Yeah, I'll be a junior in the fall. So is this your
that
first
shady?
summer here at Cousins? No, I've been coming here for my entire life. Yeah, she's like family friends with Conrad.
On se connaît pas? Pourquoi elle parle elle?
Do you want some?
Oh!
No thanks, I'm good, but I'll be right back.
Well, we never want you to be wistful.
You know, I think it's too late. The wistfulness has set in.
No.
No, I might be wistful forever.
Okay, well, do you think going to a drive-in movie with me tonight might help with the wistfulness?
Yeah, I think it would.
Cool.
I think that should be good.
Sweet. Yay.
C'est sweet.
So,
Yeah.
see you later. Bye. Have fun. See you later.
Oh, ils ont Mimi. Ah, moi j'aime trop.
You look hot. Hey, stop
Hot.
flirting with my sister.
Shut up, Steven.
You shut up. You look good, though.
Okay, fine.
Good job.
Pourquoi il regarde derrière là? Joue à ton jeu.
I think so.
Yeah, I love that movie.
It got really great reviews.
Oh, cool. I'm sure it did.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Oh. On aime les garçons qui montrent qu'ils sont intéressés. C'est trop bizarre le concept des drive-in. Genre nous on a le cinéma en plein air et tout. Mais on s'assoit, on reste pas dans les voitures, genre archi flemme, non? En plus on est dans l'herbe, tranquillou. Et oh. Ok, c'est Mimi, ok. Mais qu'est-ce qu'ils foutent? Ils ont vraiment genre 12 ans. Impossible de se tenir. Vraiment. Faut qu'il arrête de boire, hein, il a un problème. Il a quel âge? Il a quel âge le gars Joe? C'est daron a vu. Le mec, c'est un alcoolique.
What is the next one?
Mainly about sailing. No, it's sort
Flemme.
of modern epic.
Ça s'appelle Ulysse.
Kind
Ça
of.
s'appelle l'Odyssée, je sais pas si tu connais.
Could go to the drive-in. Dude, gross. No, I don't want to watch Belly hooking up with some kid in the backseat of a minivan. Yo, actually, let's go to the drive-in. Wait, like,
But the way I feel right now, this is what everyone talks about.
Ah.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Steven? If you don't leave, I swear to God, I will send everyone in this car your Dramini fanfic.
He spent an entire chapter talking about Draco's wand.
oh my god, go, drop it.
Hey, seriously? Please leave.
Alright, let's go, guys. What? You were the one who wanted to come.
Oh, choupette. Son big bisou romantique là.
Yeah, just video games.
Don't stay up too late. You've got work early in the morning tomorrow.
Alright, Mom. Promise.
J'ai l'impression qu'elles sont hyper chill comme Daron, donc je comprends pas pourquoi genre tout le monde leur ment en disant genre je fais ça et en fait ils sortent, tu sais. Genre elle leur a dit en plus genre c'est ok d'y aller, faut juste me prévenir. Bah préviens les gars, je suis une Daron ou quoi? Ça y est, je suis trop vieille. Je regarde du point de vue des parents maintenant.
I don't want this night to be over.
It would be cool if
Yes.
Eh ben voilà.
I know it's kind of lame, but
Elle est trop belle.
will you be my date to the Deadpool?
Oh. Par contre, genre, wesh, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Sur la plage comme ça?
That was your hot date?
Lui, il me saoule.
All I wanted was to go to a drive-in with a guy that I think is cute and sweet, and you guys had to come and ruin it.
And us showing up for like 2 minutes? Ruined that, really? Grow up, Billy.
Je vais lui casser la gueule.
What? What was I doing?
Reminding me that you existed.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You cared where I was, who I was with.
No, I didn't. I don't care.
Stop lying.
Stop being such a baby.
Oh, and you're such an
Je vais le
adult.
tuer. Je vais le tuer?
You spent your Saturday night crashing my first date for fun.
Dis bien.
Why don't you go smoke some more pot?
Why don't you go look in the mirror some more?
Je vais le tuer. Je vais le tuer.
I wonder if this is the way all crushes die.
Un malade. Un malade. J'ai été spoilée de certains trucs et tout. Et je trouve que ça n'excuse pas. Genre le gars, il est nul en communication. Ça me casse la tête. Les gens qui étaient Team Conrad, les gens qui étaient Team Conrad dès la saison 1, faut m'expliquer. Parce que la cam là,
Every birthday I've ever had has been here, in this house.
c'est quoi son signe
Everyone
astrologique?
gives me presents.
Oh.
What is that?
Infinity. Do you know what that means? It's really cool. I learned it in math class.
Gros prouveur. Gros prouveur. Je viens d'apprendre un truc en classe. Ok, cool.
Hey everyone. There's the birthday girl.
Le fait que tout le monde l'adore.
Belly button's getting old finally. Happy birthday.
La vie de ma mère. La vie de ma mère. Il peut pas se retourner, dire joyeux anniversaire. Oh là là.
Do you want to give Belly your present?
Sorry, I forgot.
Je vous jure, je la déteste.
That's cool. I wasn't really expecting anything.
Hey, why don't we take my car and practice driving before we have to pick up Taylor from the bus station?
I hate to say it, but Jeremiah, bon gars. Hein.
Okay,
Un bon
steady,
pote.
doing great. Just 2, 1, go!
deux couples que je... Belly et sa pote là. Jeremiah et Steven.
I don't think you're ready. Come on.
Ow! Oh my god.
Okay.
So sorry, Renan.
Taylor,
It was an accident.
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm totally fine. You guys keep playing.
Let me see it.
Pourquoi ils sont là, mais...
Nice.
Pourquoi ils sont à côté de la piscine
I'm
alors
so,
qu'ils
so
font
sorry
rien?
again, Nicole. Feel better, okay?
Sorry.
Am I crazy or does Cleveland Castillo look good?
Girl!
No, it's a celibacy talking. I think he might just be perfect sex after divorce material. What didn't you say you'd about?
He's bi. Oh my god, representation in all people.
Live a little. Still my special guy, you know? For the first baby. You can talk to me about anything. You don't always have to be strong.
No. I'm just.
It's been a while since I was your age, but
Oh my god! Laisse-le parler!
broken. Losing your first love, it hurt.
Oh! Je déteste ce trope. Quand la personne commence enfin à parler et après...
Vegetarian, so I didn't put any meat in it.
Thank you, Little. Jeez. Why don't you? The belly eats me. So you let her kiss you with those lips?
Guys,
I don't mind at all. No. In fact.
Jamais de la vie tu m'embrasses devant ma famille. T'es fou quoi?
alright. Please allow me to kiss.
But that's it. Please. No, you're
Ah,
so not
j'adore.
funny. No more wine for you.
We were drunk.
I'm like half a White Claw.
She got you there.
I'm thinking maybe we should go to Nicole's party. Yes! Oh my god, I love you. I'm so excited.
Oh, il veut pas que sa copine et celle dont il est amoureux se revoient. Oui, il a 35 ans.
Yeah, I'll be right back. 1, 2, 3, check it out, check it out.
Cringe.
This
one Cringe.
goes out to Cam Cameron and our
Cringe,
favorite
cringe.
Billy Button.
Cringe, cringe. Ultra cringe!
Summer loving had me a blast.
Oh, please no.
Oh, come on! All those summer nights. Oh, well. Tell me more, then you get very far.
Oh, chouette! Ça s'amuse même pas, son propre anniversaire.
She got a ring.
Taylor?
Calme, c'est pas ça les paroles.
Oh my god!
Ew.
Steven,
You're hooking up with my brother?
I swear it just happened.
Well, what, you got bored? He's dating someone, you know, someone he actually
Oh,
likes.
c'est lui le problème.
You couldn't like someone like me?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Wait, Cam, have you started the waltz lessons yet? Miss Covington's a real sadist. Who are you talking about? She's the dance teacher for the ball. Oh, yeah. Belly hasn't really asked me yet. Oh, dude, I'm sure she will.
Messi! Oh, sa vieille tête là!
Are you into Jeremiah?
You mean Conrad?
What? No, Jeremiah.
Girl!
Hey, I've been meaning to ask you something.
Yeah?
Yeah, does it ever feel weird being the only one who's not drinking?
Belly, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Oh,
Get it?
oh, il est déçu.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it to go cup. Do you mind grabbing the keys from Conrad's room?
Yeah, sure. Is he home?
No, he spent the night at Nichols.
Oh,
Comment il sait que c'est là qu'il faut regarder? C'est fou ça.
at least he remembered Infinity.
You're not going to say goodbye?
I don't feel like it.
Oh là
She's your
là!
best friend. And
Grave,
she came out here on your birthday
grave,
because she loves you.
grave. Dis-lui!
Look, I'm not mad. I'm just kind of weirded out. I need a minute to take it all in.
Okay.
I better get going. Bye.
Faites-vous un câlin.
We have to hold tight to our friendships. Because we never know what the future will hold.
Oh.
I mean, my eyes!
Stop being so immature.
Elle a trop de rire, hein. C'est bon.
I know you said you didn't want to do chemo, but I'm not putting myself through treatment again. I know what you're
Again?
talking about. That's okay. I'm at peace with it. I'm gonna tell the kids when we get back to Boston. I just want one last perfect summer at Cousins.
Oh, je les aime trop.
Oh, speaking of dads, yours called. He's closing a deal, so he can't come.
Don't you think it's weird that my dad is staying here with Victoria?
Well, I'm sure they're not gonna have loud sex.
Ew.
It's foul.
And why is my mom letting him bring his bitchy girlfriend anyway?
Hey, how do you know she's bitchy? What if she's like a really nice person or something?
What if, and like, just hear me out, she's a bitch.
It's gonna be fine, okay?
That was cute.
There's no way she's 27. We have to grab her wallet and check her ID.
27?
So,
I can't chill. I mean, knockoff Dakota Johnson has her claws in our dad.
yeah.
No, do you listen to SZA?
I'm kind of offended you felt the need to ask me that.
Okay, of course. What else do you have on?
Pourquoi il flirte avec la copine de ce...
Okay, well, it's
No, I love love it.
Milan. Incredible son. He's extremely respectful. Thank you.
Oh, she's so cool.
What a rad girl, Stephen.
I like her. She's confident, knows who she is. I'm surprised a girl like that would want a dad.
Is there a place around here I can rent a truck for?
Yeah.
Stop. No, stop.
No. Hey, Laura put Dad in this place. You know, she'd walk in and she'd be like, Adam.
Adam! You came.
Happy 4th!
Dad!
You managed to get off work.
Yeah, couldn't miss the 4th with my family.
Oula! Il faut du soft dans l'alcool, hein. Elle est trop mimi, je l'adore. Pourquoi c'est revenu ce crush? Y a rien qui s'est passé pour que ça revienne. Je croyais que c'était dead. Cameron, ouais. Elle a un bon truc avec lui. Elle a l'air intéressée et tout. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Cameron, you are so sweet. Isn't he sweet?
Elle a le Asian glow. Ça...
Belly, by the way.
And you both like the same summer boys, which is...
We do?
Come on, let's go for that walk.
No, Cam.
Yeah.
I'm talking. Look, Shay,
Et.
don't worry, because my brother is an idiot, and it didn't mean anything. It didn't mean anything.
Wait, what didn't mean anything? I know you guys hooked up.
Shayla, that really doesn't mean anything.
Look, she doesn't mean anything. It's not.
Relax. I mean, it's not like we're exclusive. Dev's not even supposed to date their escorts. We're just having fun, right? Nothing serious.
Moi, je comprends pas de faire genre la grande personne, je sais pas quoi, je sais pas quoi. Frère, il t'a fait du mal, hein, dis-le bien.
You always think you know so much better than everyone else.
Oula.
Just stop trying to manage my life. If I don't, who will? You know, I'm gonna be the one who has to clean all this up. Well, nothing will make you happier.
Oh, that's just me.
Fuck you.
Ça, c'est juste méchant. Le trope de je suis méchant pour rejeter. Le trope de je suis méchant pour rejeter mes proches et tout.
What's wrong?
Et maintenant tout le monde est triste.
Shayla knows about.
Dude, I don't know, man. I am just crazy about her. I swear, I've just never felt this way about anyone else.
Alors pourquoi t'as embrassé quelqu'un d'autre?
Hey, can we revisit, that whole thing about you and me being casual?
Casual now.
Do you want to get out of here?
Where to?
Oh wow! Jump scare, jump scare, jump scare, jump scare. Ils ont dit, les autres c'est des enfants, on va pas leur faire ça. Mais eux c'est des adultes.
Ever felt fireworks for anybody?
Once, but it was never going to work out. The fire would have burned us both alive.
L'autre daronne.
Love you, Mom.
Love you too, Bean.
Ils ont vraiment une bonne relation, je trouve.
Does everyone hate me now?
Who could ever hate you? Bella, you don't really affect you.
Effect on people? I don't know what you're talking about.
You do.
Stop! Mais un gamin, what? Oh, Choupette, oh my love, oh no, bébé. She's a good kid. Oh, la pauvre, j'ai l'impression qu'elle a tellement de patience, elle a tellement de... Oh, Choupette, on n'arrête pas de lui briser le cœur. Et c'est une pause. Allez hop, bye, merci de regarder avec moi. On se retrouve après.